for Dominic Rochelle's first day on Earth.
Why is it his first day on Earth, Lucy? What happened yesterday?
He was born.
Yeah.
So we're going to make him a cake. Today we're going to make a rainbow party chip cake.
Ooh.
And it's funfetti. The first ingredient is water. Jeez, that's a lot. Now we're going to pour in the whole bag of cake mix. Like, just plop it in. Now we're gonna put in the, what's this called? Oil stuff. Mix. Maybe this isn't such a good idea. Mix. And there's some more. You know. Here we go. Do I need to wash my hands? Wait, I'm doing the last one. Going? Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna do this part because this last part is working. That went out perfectly. And now mixy. Now, since it's done mixing very, very well, then we're going to pour it into the cake pan. I need help. It's just flopping down. Mommy, can I help? Get all of it in so everything looks beautiful when you're finished so you can frost the cake. Keep pouring! You are strange. Always have an adult to, this is my mom. So always have an adult to take out the cake. Looks yummy. The cake is done, then you can use a toothpick or a fork, which a fork is normally the same thing. You can put it on the top of the cake, push it in, then take it out after 2 seconds. If there's nothing on it, then it's done. Now time for the frosting. Oh. You put a little on your spatula. Then frost the cake. Is it going? Mm-hmm. Okay. Then frost the cake like this. Whoa. Yeah. This is gonna be so good. No, Sarah, like frost it like. Just. Yeah. Here. Keep frosting until you drop. Time to decorate. With frosting. Yeah. Or stuff. Yeah. Like that. I'm going to do a big DR, stands for Dominic Rochelle. That looks cute. And then the beautiful bar. Okay, she got the frosting mostly, but I got the cake and the frosting and most of the sprinkles. So, here goes nothing.